The passion with which Wolfgang Harpenau sets about his work fills everyone with enthusiasm. His company, Vechta Motors, carries out the kinds of repairs and classic engine tuning that are beyond the skill of normal garages. The repair and restoration work performed by Vechta Motors is made possible by the expert knowledge, attention to detail, and mechanical skills of the company's employees. Vechta Motors guarantees professional work on vintage and modern-era cars in the form of maintenance, partial or full restoration, refits or classic performance enhancement.
Oldtimer-Restauration ist für mich Leidenschaft pur.
Vechta Motors specializes in classic Mercedes-Benz models, including common models such as the W107 or the W108, but also rarer and more exclusive models such as the Adenauer, the Pagoda, the 6.3 and 6.9, or the 300 SI with gull-wing doors. Vechta Motors has not only the required know-how, but also a well-stocked spare parts store, featuring newly restored parts which are no longer available elsewhere.
Das ist echt eine schöne Art, ein bisschen Zeitgeschichte wieder zum Leben zu erwecken.
The range of repair and restoration services offered by Vechta Motors covers work on all parts, from the engine and gearbox through to the axles and body. Skilled and experienced upholsterers, car body painters and parts suppliers complete the picture. Inspired by the Mercedes prototype created by Erich Faxenberger, Vechta Motors set itself the task of putting this Super Pagoda back onto the road. The combination of timeless elegance and performance-enhanced V8 engine guarantees a unique driving experience. And the result? The most powerful road-legal historical Pagoda there is. The bonnet is painstakingly shaped by hand to make sure that there's enough room for the powerful V8 engine beneath it. The entire air-sprung chassis of the 300 SEL 6.3 is implanted into the Pagoda and adjusted along with various other optimizations to ensure that all this power is applied safely to the road. The whole Pagoda chassis has to be overhauled and reinforced to handle the power.
Und bei der Beschleunigung, da denke ich, braucht er sich nicht verstecken vor einem modernen Sportwagen. Mit Sicherheit nicht.